All right, so we recently completed a project out in northern New Mexico where the client wanted us to go and perform test holes for two high pressure gas lines. And so we got out there to perform the work, and we had our GPR, our ground penetrating radar, and our AML, all materials locator, with us to help in the discovery prior to excavation, which is something we do here at CSTI. So while we were using our GPR tools and the AML, we found out that there was two additional gas lines that neither the owner, the utility owner, or the engineer was aware of. And I'll have some more on that here in a second. But as for the two original gas lines, the first one we found, and it was actually a 30-inch pipe, which was buried about 4.5 feet below the ground surface. But the other side, the other pipe, actually ended up being encased in concrete. So it had a cap on it. And again, neither the engineer or the owner was aware of this at the time. Now, the top of this concrete cap was only 1.5 feet below the ground surface. So this is definitely something that could impact the design. And, we were happy to help find it early in this stage so that they could take into account that this could be a conflict into the design. A lot better to find these things out now than when we go into construction. So a little bit more on the other two lines. So those also could be conflicts in the design, and we notified the engineer that we had this information, and we had a meeting to discuss it and go over it. So it looks like we'll be going back to do some more discovery on those two other lines, potentially doing some more test holes to figure out exactly what those are. And it goes to show that, even with as-built and plans that we have, it's never 100% sure what's there until we actually do a test hole and physically see what's there. In this case, had we gone with the assumption that there was two 30-inch exposed pipes, then it would have been false information. So the engineer was really happy that we were able to discover this concrete casing, and we'll probably be going out to do some more discovery on that as well. And just a little bit of added value that CSTI can provide is that we not only perform the test holes and the GPR work, but we also perform the surveying of this information. So we were able to survey it in, create a drawing, and share that with the client and their survey team to be put into their design and their coordinate system.